This is going to be a video where I take down my mini braids. I have had these in for the past 3 months, and next week I'm going to be doing a length check for this video because I was on like 2 hair growth challenges while these mini braids were in. First thing I'm going to do is to wash my hair, and I always wash my hair with this Head and Shoulder shampoo because it's an anti-dandruff shampoo and it's a shampoo plus conditioner duo, so it gets my hair clean and it conditions it as well, and it really does condition my hair. My hair is really soft, so I'm going to go in with some more conditioner. This one I made this myself. Apply this all over my hair again to help soften it, make my hair easy to take down, because again this has been in for like 3 months. Once I am done applying that to the length of my hair, I am going to go in and start taking it down with my fingers. As I take it down with my fingers, I am making sure to finger detangle as well. This is going to help the detangling process because I cannot just carry comb and brush and just bah into my hair. When I am done taking it down, I have to finger detangle it a lot before I do so, and that's a good hair tip. This will help to reduce breakage, damage, and the rest of them. Again, when you go in with the detangling tool, be it brush, be it comb, be it your fingers, tip for less breakage, less damage, and the rest of them, start from the bottom and work your way to the top. This is going to ensure that your hair is damage free. No, less damaged definitely. Anyway, this is me detangling my hair. And what did I do after this actually? I can't even remember. Anyway, keep detangling. Yes, go. This is what the shedding looks like, and this is my hair stretched out. Bye.
Relax. It's enough.